me I cannot get out of my car. You're not my boss, you're not my daddy. You don't give a fuck. I don't want to go to the ground. What are you doing?
On the 8th of March 2023, a routine plate check in Orange County, Florida, triggered a suspended license stop and a chain of felonies.
Stop. How you doing? License and registration, please.
245 Marvin, copy of verbal altitude.
As soon as I get your license, I'll be glad to tell you.
Good. 1549 Robertson.
Thank you, ma'am. Jasmine, the reason why I'm stopping is because I run the plate. Your license actually comes back suspended and you have a seize tag order in reference to your car insurance. Yeah. Oh, I mean, you do.
No, I went to the courthouse yesterday.
Uh-huh.
Made payment.
Right, you made the payment, but you didn't take care of everything else.
How do you know?
Because it says in my record.
I just did it yesterday. Maybe you didn't update it. You didn't say I couldn't drive.
Okay, well, I'm telling you, you can't drive. Your license is suspended.
It's not. If I went to the courthouse, I
Okay.
made payment.
Jasmine, when's the last time you had a ticket?
I haven't been pulled over. You're the first one to pull me over in mine.
So you've never had a ticket before?
No, only red light camera tickets.
Red light cameras? Okay. Has your license ever been suspended before?
No.
No? Okay. And the address here, is this correct?
Yeah.
Well, which one? The one on your license here or the Conway Road?
The one on my license.
The one on your license? Okay. Because they don't forward DL information, that's why. How long has it been since you lived in Conway?
Only a couple months.
A couple months? Okay, so you just moved back here?
Yeah.
Okay. And what do you have there? You were trying to show me something else. What's this?
This is the paper I did at the court.
Okay, this shows you live in Kissimmee. The paperwork that you filled out yesterday. I'm sorry? Well, because you have to have the correct address on your license. That's a civil infraction.
No, that's the correct address.
The Kissimmee one?
The one on my ID.
Okay, well, why would you write incorrect information?
I didn't write incorrect information. I'm just trying to say
I'll be right back.
Under the Fourth Amendment, a database hit for a suspended license constitutes probable cause sufficient to initiate a traffic stop. Florida statute section 322.34 prohibits operating a vehicle with a suspended license, regardless of the driver's belief otherwise. A courthouse payment the prior day does not reinstate a license. Administrative processing lag is not a legal defense under Florida law. Florida statute section 320.0607 mandates seizure of the registration tag when insurance requirements are unmet. The impound was not discretionary.
Have a seat at your car. Have a seat in your car when I'm done. Ma'am, I don't care. You have to have a seat in the car. Okay, listen to me. You don't have the right to get out.
I have the right to do whatever I want. If I can get out of my car, I can get out of my car. You cannot tell me I cannot get out of my car.
Yes, I can.
How can you not? You're not my boss. You're not my daddy. You don't do
There's a
shit for me.
Supreme Court ruling that says you need to get back in your car. Now get back in your car.
Let me see the paper.
Google it. Get back in your car.
I'm not Googling nothing.
Okay. Ma'am, you're losing your car today. I'm impounding the car. I'm taking your license and I'm taking your tag.
How are you impounding
So if you want to
my
call
car?
somebody to come get you, that's the best thing.
I can't. I'm here
Okay.
by myself and
Well,
I have to go
I
do my
apologize. Your license is suspended 4 times. You have an FR suspension.
No, I just went
and
to
you
the
have not
courthouse
cleared
yesterday.
everything up.
I showed you the
Everything
paper.
is not cleared up.
What do you mean? Then why
I'm
didn't
telling
she
you.
tell me that? I asked her is there any other problems. She didn't say nothing.
Well, I'm telling you what there is. I will
but
give
you
you
can't
all the
impound
court
my
tickets.
car.
I will give you all the information. Your car is getting impounded.
What do you mean by that?
It's going to go to the record yard. It's going to go to police impound until you get a valid license. Till you physically go down to the DL office and reinstate your license.
Why can't I just
you
take
owe
it from
money
my house?
because you're not allowed to drive.
I've been
I
paying
cannot
monthly
let
on
you
it.
get in a car and drive
I
again.
went to the courthouse
Okay.
and she said there's no problem.
I'm just telling you what's going on.
That's not fair.
Well, you can take it up with the clerk.
I was just there yesterday.
Okay. Hey, Ron, come on over. Ma'am, I can't help it if she doesn't do her job.
Yes, you can.
I can't help that.
And I told you to pay everything. How are you going to take my car? Do you not understand what I'm telling you?
Ma'am,
I have 2 kids. I take care
Go
of
stand by your car.
And then you're going to tell me
Go
to
stand by your car. Go stand by your car.
I paid over
Okay.
$200
Ma'am,
to the fucking car.
you're this close to going to jail.
I don't give a fuck.
Okay. You're this close to go to jail. Go have a seat by your car.
When Jasmine exited her vehicle, she violated clearly established law. Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 1977, grants officers full scene control authority. Mimms holds that an officer may order a driver out and back in during any lawful stop. Subject compliance is not optional. Jasmine's departure while the stop remained active constitutes a violation of Florida statute section 316.1935, fleeing and eluding. The statute requires only willful departure from an active stop with a law enforcement vehicle present. Duration of flight is irrelevant. Fleeing and eluding under section 316.1935 is a felony. Subjective belief that the stop had concluded provides no statutory defense.
Get out of the car now!
What is
Get out of the car! Turn around, put your hands on the back.
What is your problem?
Get out of the car.
What is your problem? What is your problem?
Relax, relax.
You're hurting me. You're
Relax.
hurting me. Get off of me.
Relax.
You're hurting me. Get off of me. Get off.
That hand.
Get off of me. Oh, get off of me. I have to go get my fucking kids. You asshole. Get off of me. Don't you do it. Get off of me.
Go to the ground.
No, I don't want to go to the ground. Get off of me. I have to go get my fucking kids. No, you are not putting these on me. What are you doing?
Roll over. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stand up.
My arm!
Stand up.
What you did to my hand?
Stand up.
You fucking asshole! What the fuck? Oh my god, what did I get my kids? What is wrong with you? Look at my hand! I didn't do nothing to you! What the fuck?
Baby, you can't take off on a traffic stop.
Take off!
Get in, it's all on video. Get in.
I was at the wall.
Get in.
You're such a dick.
County 249.
39.
Show it the black female 1015. And then resume normal.
249. One time.
You guys okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Need for units.
You got it. Captain.
Negative. All units can cancel. We appreciate it. Thank you.
Time for a unit. Just finally kick it.
Huh?
245.
I got it. I got one.
You want some of those lights?
Yeah.
I'm calling him back. Actually, not phone.
Did you take these handcuffs?
Nope, you're going to jail, ma'am.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Well, unfortunately, when you fled from the stop, you did something wrong. When you didn't listen, you did something wrong.
I was
So
going to the
now, and then
ground. I was
when you
just
punched
there.
me, when you punched me on the ground, yep, you swung and hit me.
I did not.
Now it's battery, Leo.
That's a lie.
It's all on
I don't
video.
even know how to throw a punch.
Okay, it's all on
I
video.
don't know how to throw a punch.
Ma'am.
No.
Ma'am,
That's
it's all
a
on video.
lie.
You all right?
Are you?
Yep. You want to?
Our employee's car.
Am I able to call my mom?
No. You can call your mom after you get booked into the jail.
44 Alpha. At where?
Why would I arrest you?
Yeah.
Because you ran from the traffic stop.
I didn't run from the traffic stop. I was at the red light. The light turned green. You
Ma'am.
pulled over at the Wells Fargo.
Ma'am.
I got out the car.
Ma'am.
I took the punches because I was at the courthouse.
Did you not just drive off?
Yesterday.
Did you not just drive off?
No, yes,
Yeah,
because I'm
okay.
going to the courthouse. Why can't I go? I want
Because
to
when the traffic stop wasn't done, and I told you that.
Yeah, but I need to go to the courthouse.
It doesn't matter. You don't have the right to leave. You don't have the right to leave. Well, I don't need to understand.
And they tell you you're fine to go. Why would you tell me I'm fine to go so I can get arrested? That
Well,
makes sense.
I don't know. That's between you and them. Well,
I didn't do nothing.
unfortunately, you'll go to jail today.
She lied.
Unfortunately, you go to jail today. You'll get booked in.
Okay, so when are you taking me there?
When I'm ready. It's my time. I will get done and we will head that way.
You're so inconsiderate. You hurt me. I'm bleeding. You hurt both of my legs. And you say I punched you. I can't even throw a punch. I've never even fought like that before. What are you talking about? You got complete control. You're trying to tell me a 130-pound girl was being threw a punch where both her hands behind her back? That's a lie.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
No, we're not.
Just one on a traffic stop. She didn't believe her stuff was suspended.
No, I believe you.
Then she decided to jump when her car was getting ready to get impounded. She jumped in the car and took off.
Oh, that's right.
So Ron was able to get here, I was able to get there, and then, of course, she wanted to fight and not go to
I
jail.
did not fight. I don't know how to fight. I'm only 130 pounds. I'm small. How can I fight?
So it was a good day, I guess.
Yeah.
Who are you?
Nobody got hurt. No one's.
I'm hurt.
So.
I'm f***ing hurt. I'm bleeding and my head is hurting.
If the caregiver is there in FDS 51, we can respond to
How are you?
two people.
Been a while, man.
If it's a
Can I
DNR,
leave, please?
Nope. You can't leave. We're going to the jail.
Then let's go. What are you waiting for?
We gotta wait on the tow truck and
everything.
I still got stuff to do.
Physical resistance during the subsequent arrest triggers Florida Statute, Section 843.01, resisting an officer with violence. Section 843.01 is a third-degree felony. The disputed battery allegation, striking the officer, elevates exposure to 5 years imprisonment. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, force is assessed by objective reasonableness, severity of crime, active resistance, and threat level at the moment. Post-flight, post-resistance. The ground takedown falls within hard, empty hand control consistent with the use of force continuum. No weapons deployed. Force did not escalate beyond control techniques. The continuum was not exceeded based on available transcript evidence. The battery allegation is the critical, unresolved legal question. If unsupported by video, it risks undermining the officer's credibility. A Section 843.01 charge requires proof of an overt act of violence. Disputed facts require corroborating video evidence, not assertion alone.
Your knee and my leg. How much do you weigh compared to how much do I weigh? Doesn't make any sense. And then you can say I throw a punch? For what? To make you feel better? I did not throw no punch. How can I throw a punch? I want to go to the courthouse to find out why this lady lied to me. Because she knew I would get in this predicament. This doesn't make any sense. I did my part. Went to the courthouse to find out what's going on with my leg. And she lied to me. So my car can get impounded. I cannot afford to get that out. I have to take care of my kids. And this is wasting my time and my kids' time for no reason. And then you're going to tell somebody, oh, are you okay? What has happened to you? You gotta go home, open up a cold beer, right? Who's gonna feed my fucking kids? Who's gonna put my fucking kids to bed? They're gonna wonder where their mother is. But she went to pay her money to the courthouse when they wanna go to Disney and I can't even fucking take them because I have to work. To pay these tickets from these red light cameras because I'm trying to go to work. And then you're gonna throw me on the fucking ground. And then say throw a fucking punch. The fuck? Then what? If I get fucked, how do I even get out? Like what the fuck is this shit? Doesn't make any sense. You see 2 car seats in the back. What the fuck does that mean? I didn't do nothing. No weapon. Nothing. So she threw a punch. She drove off. Yeah, to find out why the lady at the courthouse lied. I was just there and paid a lot of money that I don't have.
Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 2001, confirms custodial arrest is constitutionally permissible even for minor traffic violations. The stop was lawful. The impound was mandated. The arrest was supported by probable cause. Constitutional compliance confirmed on all 3 counts. Grades. The officer receives a B. Lawful stop, legally mandated impound, proportionate force sound backup call. Grade reduced. The battery allegation requires video corroboration. Jasmine receives a C+. Initial compliance was appropriate. However, exiting the vehicle, fleeing the stop, and resisting arrest each carried independent felony exposure. Lessons learned. A courthouse payment does not equal reinstatement. Always obtain and carry official written confirmation before driving. During a traffic stop, you have the right to remain silent, not the right to exit or depart. Mimms is controlling law. Disputing a stop-through argument prolongs it. The appropriate remedy is the courthouse, not the roadside. A brief, non-violent departure from an active stop is still a felony under Florida law. Brief does not mean legal. For officers, battery allegations must be supported by video. An unsubstantiated charge is a liability risk to the case and the department. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.